Ever wondered why your hair doesn't seem to grow as fast as you'd like? Or why it's prone to breakage and loss? You're not alone. These are common hair problems many people face. What if I told you the solution might be as simple as changing your diet? You see, what we consume has a direct impact on our hair's health and growth. So, if you're dreaming of luscious, fast-growing hair, you might want to take a closer look at what's on your plate. So, what are these magical foods that can turn your hair woes around? Let's dive right into it. First up, we have eggs. Packed with protein and biotin, two nutrients that may promote hair growth, eggs are practically a superstar in the hair health world. Eating adequate protein is crucial for hair growth because hair follicles are largely made of protein. A lack of protein in the diet has been shown to promote hair loss. Next, we find berries on our list. They're loaded with beneficial compounds and vitamins that may promote hair growth. This includes vitamin C, which has strong antioxidant properties that can protect hair follicles against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Spinach, a healthy green vegetable that's loaded with beneficial nutrients like folate, iron, and vitamins A and C, all of which may promote hair growth. Vitamin A helps the skin glands produce sebum, which moisturizes the scalp to keep hair healthy. Fatty fish like salmon, herring, and mackerel have nutrients that may promote hair growth. They are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to hair growth. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene. The body converts this compound into vitamin A, which is linked to good hair health. Avocados are delicious, nutritious, and a great source of healthy fats. They are also an excellent source of vitamin E, which may promote hair growth. Nuts pack a wide variety of nutrients that may aid hair growth, including vitamin E, B vitamins, zinc, and essential fatty acids, all of which have been linked to hair growth. Seeds deliver a massive amount of nutrients with relatively few calories. Many of these nutrients may also promote hair growth, including vitamin E, zinc, and selenium. Sweet peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C, which may aid hair growth. Oysters are one of the best food sources of zinc, which helps support the hair growth and repair cycle. Shrimps are popular shellfish rich in many nutrients that have the potential to promote hair growth. Beans are a great plant-based source of protein, which is essential to hair growth. And lastly, soybeans have been shown to promote hair growth. And there you have it, 13 foods that could help boost your hair growth. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. In our quest to boost hair growth, we've identified 13 power-packed foods that work wonders. First up, eggs. They're protein-rich and brimming with biotin, two essentials for hair growth. Second, berries. Loaded with beneficial vitamins and antioxidants, berries protect your hair follicles against damage. We also mentioned the importance of fatty fish like salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known to promote hair growth. Spinach and other leafy greens packed with beneficial nutrients like iron are also a must-have. Sweet potatoes, avocados, nuts, seeds, sweet peppers, oysters, shrimp, and beans are all part of this exclusive list. Each brings unique nutrients to the table, from vitamin A in sweet potatoes to zinc in oysters and shrimp, all vital for hair health. Finally, we have soybeans, known for their spermidine content, which is believed to prolong the active phase of hair growth. Remember, these foods are not just hair food. They contribute to your overall health and well-being. A balanced diet, featuring these power foods, can lead to stronger, healthier hair and a healthier you. The key is to incorporate these nutrient-dense foods into your meals consistently. A one-off won't make much of a difference, but regular consumption can indeed lead to noticeable changes. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember your hair will thank you for including these foods. Until then, keep shining and stay healthy.